Hey, Dallas County, are you thinking about buying, selling, investing, or just curious about the local market? I got your June 2025 housing update. Real numbers, straight talk, and what it's mean for you. So let's go ahead and dive in. Here's what went down in June. There were 11,611 active listings, up to about 8% compared to last May. Fewer homes sold, only 1,693 homes that was sold, which is down to 13% month over month. The median sold price, it hit $417,500, which is up a whooping of 24.5% from last year. Home took longer to sell, 55 days on average, which is 60% jump from this time last year. Buyers are being more selective and seller needs to price it correctly. Now that you have the market update, are you making the move before summer ends? DM me, or let's talk strategy before rates or prices shift again.